What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Dead Girl by ZillaKami. If you want a chance to win a free guitar, click that subscribe button or else I will cut you in your jugular. The song is in drop D standard tuning, and as always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find a link for one in the video description, as well as a link for a free capo if you need one of those. And if you want to enter to win a free guitar, click that subscribe button. Let's jump into it. So the song has one riff that repeats throughout the entire song, and it does the same thing 3 times in a row, and it changes on the 4th time. So we're going to start by, we're going to bar the low 3 strings and put your pinky on the 5th fret and put your pinky on the 7th fret of the D. What you're doing here is you're picking D, A, D, 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 A, D, open, D, A, D, D again, D, A, D, and then low D. And then that same formation here, just on the 3rd fret. You pick D, A, D, slide to 7. So that pinky finger's on 5, you slide to 7. And then it starts all over. That plays 3 times, and then on your final time, you do the same thing at first. Then you go down to 8, and you just pluck 8. You're holding down the 8th fret on both the low D and your A string, and you're plucking D, A, D, down to 10. That same formation here, just on 10. With your pinky on 12, and you're just picking D, A, D, A. So that looks like. One more time. So all together slowly, the riff looks like. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Don't forget to check the video descriptions for the guitar tab or for the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.